Right then guys, talk about a nightmare. So we've finally got the vector software on the app. We had to input all our details and email addresses and account setups, all that sort of fun stuff. So that took about 15 to 20 minutes to do. Then you have to do a download with them. It takes about another 10 to 15 minutes. So what we've done is we've finally got Vector active now. As you can see, he's on. He's being quiet because I'm holding him. But what I'll try and do is, instead of trying to carry on with this big long video now, what I'll do is record a few snapshots of him doing stuff, up closes and all that, and then upload it to you guys for you to see. If there's anything you want to see Vector do that you're unsure as whether you can do it, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to sort it out for the next video. See you down there in a bit. Then guys, one thing you can do is actually change the colour of Vector's eyes. So at the minute we've got blue. Let's click green. There you go, green, orange. Hey, where are you going? I like orange. Yellow. Purple. It's been disobedient. And blue. Hey Vector, take a nap. Hey Vector, always listening. Hey Vector, I've got a question. How far from London to Birmingham?
Is a song by Japanese J-pop and rock band Superfly.
That was a strange one. Right then guys, so the cube has got a fairly different kind of light to it. It's got like a weird middle glow in the center of each cube, but it does seem to do absolutely every color. So I'm guessing that's why there is only one cube, because it does every color. Like at the minute it's just white. And obviously if Vector wants to flip it over, it says that Vector is going to pounce on his cube on the screen, but hopefully we ain't going to need this app on too long. Like I say, at the minute it says what it's planning on doing just there at the bottom. Vector is looking around. He's looking around. Vector. Hey Vector. Go charge. Yeah, that is impressive. Wow. Hey Vector, what time is it? Hey Vector. Hey Vector, what's the time? He's got tired eyes because he's charging.
1941.
Close enough, yeah. Right then guys, this time we'll try calling him. Hey Vector, come here. Oh, you go wait for the lights to go blue, by the way, after saying hey Vector. Come here. Will he come to me or will he go to my wife? Me or my wife? Edge of the table. Whoa, what a stop.
Hey Vector.
Guys, this will be the big test. I'm going to put the iPad away and see if we can still interact fully with Vector. So turn the app off. Shut the screen down. We currently have no iPad. Vector is on his own. Hey Vector, what's the weather like? Yes. He's saying it's cold. It's a little chilly. That's brilliant. No iPad, guys. For anyone that's had Cosmo before, that is amazing. Hey, Vector. Find your cube. That didn't take long. That is great. Oh, wow. Look at the colours, guys. It's got lots of colours all the way around, colour combos. Oh, yep, flipped it over. The sounds and animation are fantastic. Really, really good.
Hey Vector. Hey Vector. Shall we play blackjack?
Another card.
Stick.
Ayler's turn. 14. 24. Ayler busted.
Hey Vector, my name's Isabel.
Isabel.
Yay!
That's cool. Hey, Vector. Come here. Sound effects are fantastic. Should you try stroking him? Try and get the focus right on the lens. So we're just leaving Vector to it now. See what he's going to do. Doing something. Oh, is that a wheelie? Right then, guys, it's actually tougher than you think it is. You have to get used to saying the name, and then you have to get used to the pause, and then you say the command. But it does work really well without the iPad on. You just treat it as you would with the iPad on, if you get what I mean. It's weird, you just turn the iPad off and you can just get Vector to do things. He's asleep at the moment because we've wore him out twice to get the video footage for you guys. Yeah, so what I'll do is write some comments below. Like I say, if there's any questions, please ask. I don't know too much about it at the minute. I'm just getting used to it myself. But yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya!